Hey there, business owners and marketers. Ready to attract more local customers? Today, we're diving into Google My Business, the ultimate tool for localized marketing success. Google My Business, or GMB, is a free tool that helps you manage how your business appears online in Google Search and Maps. A well-optimized GMB profile can increase your chances of getting discovered by local customers. Let's look at how to set it up. Follow these steps. Sign in or create an account. Go to Google My Business, enter business details, select a category, verify your business. Now let's make your profile stand out. Optimization is key to getting more clicks and calls. Complete all sections, post regular updates, get reviews and respond. Use keywords smartly. These steps will boost your local SEO. GMB Insights provides analytics that tell you how customers find you. Search queries, customer actions, engagement metrics. Before we wrap up, let's tackle a few common challenges: duplicate listings, negative reviews, profile updates. And there you have it, a complete guide to unlocking local marketing success with Google My Business. Start building your profile today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell for more marketing tips. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below.